America has a problem with drug addiction. And this next slide, which is a nightmare, and I will highlight things and talk you through them. This is just brand new data from the Annals of Internal Medicine. And it really highlights the fact that we have an ongoing addiction problem. It just depends on which demographic you look at, but there's always a problem with drug addiction in the United States. This is the pinnacle of the current opioid crisis. So what this is showing is the upswing in heroin overdoses. And so we're all very familiar with that. It's happening all over the United States. It's a real problem. A lot more people are overdosing on heroin than ever before. Cuts across all demographics and both genders. If you look at prescription opioid overdoses, so this is also a big part of the current crisis because we're actually dealing, at least initially, before they switched to heroin, with prescription legal drugs. And so that's a sociological problem that, of course, we're trying to deal with. Well, you can see the peak effects are in females, mostly, and white males.